Oh boy, I know this is pretty common, but what we did here is so simple and so nice. You can give a sense of how big things are. You can give a scale of measurement of how big things are in your videos just by adding a person to it. You can have this very wide. Look at see. You can see how wide this photo is. But if I wasn't there, if my friend Michael wasn't there, you would have no idea how big things are. And you can see how small we are. And this is how um, a village looks like outside of Thessaloniki. You can even see the sea from this one. Now, there are trees, but if you don't have a person right there, you cannot really understand, like, is this a big tree? Is this a small tree? How big of a tree is it? Now, this is a very important thing to add to your videos. It gives a sense of scale. This is why I'm showcasing this one, because if you've seen me and you can see the house that I was there, you can get an idea of how the landscape is. By the way, this is a very nice pond. You can even see a duck inside this one. Uh, it doesn't add, let's say it's not the biggest thing to add, but it's something that is a detail and it's a very nice thing to consider. You don't have to have a video of, you know, 15 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes of you in a drone shot, but you can add it. You can add from the place that you're filming to the place that you want to shoot it. And you can actually see how big things are now. You have it. There it is. So make sure to add this in your videos. I know it's, again, not rocket science, but it might, especially for photos, it might have been something that was missing out from your uh, your drone clips. Now, until the next one, I want to hear what your opinion is. So do leave a comment down below and a like if you want to see more. Was this helpful? Let me know, man. Cheers. Until the next one.